Bonjour chers amis, apprenons le français étape par étape, step by step French part 4. Let's get into the lesson. Words in English ending in ARY become air in French. Now let's have a look at them. For instance, necessary, the word ending in ARY, necessary, in French it becomes nécessaire. Notice this. Here there is accent aigu and then air. Necessary becomes nécessaire. It is not necessary for me. How do you translate it into French? Ce n'est pas nécessaire pour moi. Ce n'est pas nécessaire pour moi. Contrary. How does it become in French? Contrary. Contrary becomes contraire. Contraire. On the contrary, how do you translate in French? On the contrary becomes au contraire. Au contraire. Military. How do you translate it into French? You know the answer. Military becomes militaire. Militaire. Vocabulary. How do you translate it into French? Vocabulary becomes vocabulaire. Vocabulaire. I would like is called in French. You say I would like in French as je voudrais. Je voudrais. To speak in French is called parler. Parler. To speak French is called parler français. Parler français. Now, how do you say I would like to speak French? I would like to speak French. Je voudrais parler français. Je voudrais parler français. With in French is called avec. Avec. With you is called avec vous. Avec vous. With me is called avec moi. Avec moi. I would like to speak French with you. How do you say it in French? I would like to speak French with you. Je voudrais parler français avec vous. Je voudrais parler français avec vous. So thank you very much, dear friends. Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine. See you later.